Hello everyone. Today let's have a reading and speaking practice using the question, what's your hobby? Are you ready? Let's dive in.
What's your hobby? Singing. I like singing. I like singing in front of other people. Singing. What's your hobby? Dancing. I like dancing. I like dancing hip-hop music. Dancing. What's your hobby? Drawing. I like drawing. I like drawing with crayons. Drawing. What's your hobby? Walking. I like walking. I like walking in the rain. Walking. What's your hobby? Swimming. I like swimming. I like swimming in the ocean. Swimming. What's your hobby? Playing the guitar. I like playing the guitar. I like playing the guitar in music class. Playing the guitar. What's your hobby? Playing game. I like playing games. I like playing games with my friends. Playing game. What's your hobby? Playing basketball. I like playing basketball. I like playing basketball after school. Playing basketball. What's your hobby? Riding a bike. I like riding a bike. I like riding a bike at the park. Riding a bike. What's your hobby? Watching TV. I like watching TV. I like watching TV on the weekend. Watching TV. What's your hobby? Taking photos. I like taking photos. I like taking photos of my pet. Taking photos. What's your hobby? Flying a kite. I like flying a kite. I like flying a kite at the playground. Flying a kite. What's your hobby? Listening to music. I like listening to music. I like listening to music before I sleep. Listening to music. What's your hobby? Painting. I like painting. I like painting pictures. Painting. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.